If you want to change your physical SIM card from your old iPhone to your new iPhone like iPhone 17 or iPhone 17 Pro Max, I show you. So this is my old iPhone, which is iPhone 11, and this one is new iPhone 17. So first thing you need to do is you need to power off your device, both devices, which is the safer side, or you can use this aeroplane mode. For now I just use the aeroplane mode. So in both devices I turn on the aeroplane mode. Then you just need this SIM ejector tool, which is available in the box. On iPhone 11, on the right hand side bottom you can see the SIM slot. So right here you can see the hole, which indicates the SIM was present here. So you just need to use the SIM ejector on the hole, just insert that and press it. Then it will pop up like this. You are done. Now place this and just pull it, and it's done. This is micro SIM card. If you have any large physical SIM card, means you need to cut down to micro SIM card. You can visit the local mobile repairing store or order a SIM cutter on Amazon. Now take your new phone. So in iPhone 17, on the right hand side you can see the SIM ejector, SIM tray. So just press and it will pop up like this. So now take your SIM card. Now on your SIM card you can see a cut on one side. So this is the cut. In the SIM tray also you can see the same cut. So here it is. So you need to place this golden bar facing upwards and just place it like this. Take your phone and just press. That's it. Now swipe down here and turn off the aeroplane mode. That's it. It's done. You can see the network was enabled. So this is how you need to do. You can directly remove the SIM ejector and place the SIM without turn on the aeroplane mode or turn off your mobile. But in safer side, we need to turn off the mobile or turn on the aeroplane mode. So this is how you need to do. And if you want to know more videos about iPhone, watch this playlist.